Hello and welcome to this tutorial on adding fractions. Let's add the two blocks together. There are 3 shaded sections in the first block, so the numerator is 3. There are 4 sections altogether, so the denominator is 4. Let's look at the next block. There are 2 shaded sections in the second block, so the numerator is 2. There are 4 sections altogether, so the denominator is 4. When adding fractions with the same denominators, we keep the denominators the same. We only add the numerators. 3 add 2 equals 5. So our answer is 5/4. But what if our denominators are different? Here's an example. 3/4 add 2/3. Looking at our rule book, number 1 is to find a common denominator using the lowest common multiple of our denominators, 4 and 3. Let's write down the multiples of 4 and the multiples of 3. Scanning through the multiples, we should find the lowest multiple, which is 12. Therefore, our common denominator now is 12. Now we convert our old denominators into our new denominators by timesing or dividing. How do we get from 4 to 12? We can times 3. 4 times 3 makes 12. Rule number 2 is to multiply or divide the numerator by the same value, times 3 also. So 3 times 3 makes 9. Now let's do the same to our second pair. How do we go from 3 to 12? Well, we times 4. Let's do the same with the numerator. 2 times 4 makes 8. Now that our denominators are the same and we have created new fractions, number 3 is to add or minus the numerators. Our denominators remain as 12. And now we add our numerators. 9 add 8 makes 17. So 3/4 add 2/3 makes 17/12. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our socials and subscribe to our channel for more content.